Welcome to this video, where we'll take a look at an incredible project blending old technology with new ideas. Jessica Card, a programmer, has managed to use a Raspberry Pi and Python to add a cute face to Skynet's distant relative. In the project, Card created an interactive chat buddy with a voice that reminds us of the infamous Red Queen AI from the Resident Evil series. She hooked up the ChatGPT to a Furby, the popular robotic electronic toy released from 1998 to 2018 and beloved by makers and hackers. Using the Raspberry Pi and a number of other software, Card set up the Furby to be able to interact with the user. The user's questions are captured with a USB microphone connected to the Raspberry Pi, sent to the OpenAI Whisper speech-to-text library, and then analyzed by ChatGPT. The response is then converted to speech using Narrakeet's text-to-speech voiceover library and played back through a USB-powered speaker. Meanwhile, the Furby's mouth, eyes, and ear movements are controlled with an H-bridge motor controller connected to the Raspberry Pi. To show us how the process works, Card asked the Furby a rather unsettling question: was there a secret plot by Furbies to take over the world? After a few moments the Furby replied, revealing its frighteningly confident intentions to dominate humanity with its cute and cuddly appearance and advanced AI. We've had a little fun with this notion, but this project really does drive home the incredible potential of the Raspberry Pi. So what else could we use the Raspberry Pi for? Well, to find out, stay tuned for future episodes of this series. We'll be exploring the boundaries of what the Raspberry Pi can do and showcasing the best of what it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.